Jay for 10 years, and I've worked with him on many fronts, and I have to say that he brings a lot of energy to everything that he does. He's a really great guy. I think he's excellent at what he does, and he's definitely an attorney I would hire.
I've known Jay for probably about 7 or 8 years now. And one thing that always stands out to me is how much he cares. Whether it was with the GGBA or with his business, he definitely cares in a way that most people don't.
I want to start off by thanking some people for today. So I want to start off by thanking myself. I want to start off by thanking myself for all the long nights, the weekends of studying as I got 3 degrees. I want to thank myself for studying and getting the CPA exam, and for also sitting for 3 bar exams and getting licensed in 3 states.
So Jay Greene has been a friend and a trusted colleague for the last 8 years. Anytime, I'm a financial planner, anytime any of my clients need estate planning services or senior law care, it's a natural referral to Jay. He's very caring, very detail conscious, and he's the best person to be one-on-one with the family.
I'm very, very proud of Jay, extremely proud of Jay, because I always thought with his ambitions as a young child that he would always make something good of himself. So I'm very, very proud. Not only is he an attorney, but he's a CPA. And he worked for 10 years as an accountant before he became a paramedic.
I'm very proud of my brother for his success. He's a very great person. I don't think I could ever be proud of anyone ever more than my brother. And I love him to death, and he's a great person. He does a lot for his community, and I love him.